Hey there, I am Shahadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Please subscribe. Today I am gonna review the slow motion of Mi A2 Lite. Let's see how much process Mi made in times of slow motion video. A2 Lite camera review coming soon.
Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You leave a highlight, limousines through your fantasies. Never knew it, but you were my lifeline. You got me drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now.
I have already made slow motion video in many phones such as iPhone, OnePlus, Nokia and Mi. Comment on what you want to see next and give me thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Your support means a lot to me.